Yo, sirens are running. I'm scared. Look at this. I'm not even playing. What the heck? So, I was checking the weather on my phone, and it said it was thunderstorming. I'll take off my headphones because I was listening to music. I hear sirens. This ain't... What the heck? It says it's just thunderstorming.
No, it's a tornado.
For real?
Stanley and Owensboro. Tornado.
It's what happened last year.
If it's in Stanley, then we'll get to see it out back.
For real? I'm gonna look out the back window then. Look at this. Look how dark it is. I was just listening to my music peacefully, and I hear that through my headphones. I thought it... Babe!
Leah said, can you let Chloe in?
Cause she... This way right here? Man, what the heck? It happened last year.
I hear dogs.
Hold up.